Hello and welcome to Relevate. My name is Avon and I'd like to talk to you today about Relevate People. We're a virtual staffing agency and we've got an office in Chandigarh and we do work for other businesses, as in we hire professional technical staff, seat them in our office space with all the equipment necessary for them to do work through other companies. Alright, so we've got the glass going in for the conference room, so we're just finishing off the build at the moment, but we've got all the desks through here. We've got the kitchen over here with the microwave, water filtration, coffee, fridge and a dishwasher. We've got the conference room which is going in just over here, and we've got nice big open desk spaces. So as you can see here, we've got nice wide monitors, we've got nice big desk spaces, and we're not bumping chairs with the people behind us, so we've got plenty of room to stretch out and do the work that we need to do. We have power backup, good internet, good equipment. We provide excellent break facility for our staff. We're working towards creating a really great working environment for you so that you can do your best work for your clients. I look forward to seeing how we can work together in the future.